Why does everybody feel like they're not enough? You know, if you look at a child, if a child is 6 months old and you have your drink next to them when you're changing them and they kick it off and they spill coffee all over the ground, you're not gonna yell at a 6 months old, right? If they're 1 year old, they're learning how to walk and they knock your coffee off onto the ground and they spill it onto the floor, you're not gonna yell at them at 1 year old. But at some point, a parent treats a child as if they're an adult and they think they should know it by now. And this is not me judging parents in any sort of way, that's the hardest job in the world. But at some point, we all have a break where the parent goes, what are you doing? It could be 3 years old, it could be 4 years old, and the child immediately thinks there's something wrong with me because they feel a retraction of their parents' love, which is the most safety that they can feel. There's a break off, and the average child is reprimanded 8 times more than they're praised. And because a lot of times parents are trying to keep their children alive. You know, like kids are wanting to jump off of big walls. And so what we do is we parent the same way that our parents do, which is usually yelling at the child. And so the average child is reprimanded 8 times more than they're praised.
Fear.
Which goes to, I'm not smart enough, I'm not good enough.